Right! 簡単な英語なのに奥が深いです。実はですね、ちょうど先週の英会話ですので、すぐ参りますという日本語の表現が出まして、じゃあ英語で何と言いますかと聞いたら、ほぼ生徒さんね、全員が coming soon、それが soon なんちゃらかんちゃらと答えました。なるほど。一人も right を使わなかったんですね。coming soon というのはね、正しくなくもないんですけどね。でも正直に言いますと、I'll be right with you とか、I'll be right there そのあたりが欲しかったんですね。よくよく考えたら、right という単語が、すごく便利で、いろんな使い道があるんだなと思いまして、とにかく皆さん、right の便利さに気づいてほしいですね。もうちょっと right の良さを意識しながら自然な会話を楽しんでもらいたいですね。So, allow me to share with you the wonders of the simple yet deep English word, right. Don't worry, I'll be right there with you all the way. We're in this together. Right is often used a lot for position or proximity. It's not just right here, it's right here, right here. In Japanese, you'd probably say something along the lines of ちょうど. Wait right here. I'll be back in a sec. Where's he gone? He was right there a second ago. The cat was sleeping right in the middle of the street. The book you're looking for is right on the top of the pile. The thing I'm looking for is always right under my nose. Oh, darling, have you seen my newspaper? I seem to have misplaced it again.
It's right there! Right there, look! Next to the magnifying glass!
It's right here. Sorry, my little honey bun. You're always right. Yes, she's always right. When you want to talk about the exact point when something happened or is going to happen, we can use right. Right now or right last week. In Japanese, you'd use words like ちょうど, ぴったり, すぐに. ぴったり, I like saying ぴったり. It's a good sound that. He always gets up right at 5:47 a.m. Not 5:46, not 5:48. Right at 5:47. I'm leaving right now, so I'll probably be there in about 15 minutes. She opened her birthday gift right then and there. He had last-minute jitters right before the wedding. So if you have last-minute jitters, it's like you feel really nervous and maybe you got butterflies in your stomach right before the big event, like public speaking, a job interview, or the very famous one is before your wedding. Right after she gets home, she pours herself a big glass of wine. Cheers! Don't worry, it's tea. I got to drive home, you know. A man had a heart attack right in the middle of the movie. So a heart attack is when a part of the heart or one of the muscles in the heart dies or has some severe damage. It can result in death, but in many cases, it just results in a stay in a hospital to have a heart attack. Right after you've poured the concrete, you've got to make it flat or it'll be too hard.
Right away?
Right away, yes, right away. Are you right in the head? Gah, surrounded by idiots, I tell you. If you're going to do something now or ASAP without any detours, like you're going straight to it, no messing around, right is the word to use. In Japanese, you'd probably say sugu or suguni. Right is so much more natural than saying soon. Check out this video for more about that. You need the report for this afternoon? I'll do it right away. After spending all day at the pool, when he got home, he went right to sleep. Yumi always comes right home after work to spend quality time with her kids. Without further ado, let's jump right into the presentation. And let's jump right into the next example. The clients have already arrived. They're 20 minutes early. I'll be right there. John's just stepped away from his desk, but he said he'll be right back. Irashaimase! Ah, yes, madam. I'll be right with you. Yes, how can I help you? Gift wrapping. Yes, by all means. Come right this way. Gift wrapping, onegaishimasu. Right is a great conversation filler word. You know, to show that you're listening to someone. I found that Japanese people are very good at doing this using Japanese words and noises, but struggle doing it in English. Expressions like そうだね, なるへそ, 確かに確かに, その通り. Here's how you can use right in a conversation.
So then I said to the driver that we need more buses on the route. We used to have 3 buses an hour, but it's down to 2.
Yeah, right.
Young people these days have absolutely no manners.
You're absolutely right.
They're all too busy looking at their phones to give up their seats for us older folks.
Right, right. So using the expressions, yeah, right. Right, right. You're absolutely right. Can make your conversations run more smoothly, but there is something that you have to be careful with. Right can also be used in a kind of sarcastic way, which means that you don't really believe what they're saying. I asked Jenny, you know, the most beautiful girl in school, out on a date, and she said yes. Yeah, right. Right. So you're saying when we go to the Japanese convenience store, we don't have to say hi to the people who work there? Right. Gotcha. Right. I got these daifuku, strawberry, konnichiwa. Use right for something being the way it should be, the proper way, or just, being the way you like it. It's like right or wrong. Some possible ways to say it in Japanese are 合ってる, 正しい, 適切な. If something is not right, you could say なんかおかしい, なんか違う. Oh, damn! I can't get my hair right, but I have to leave for work. You're not doing it right. Give it to me. Go like this. See?
Miss Gibson, I finished the question. Is this right?
There are no rights or wrongs in art. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. He's not quite right in the head, that guy. Best just to leave him alone. Hey, you! There's something not quite right about this light switch. It feels funny. It's homework time, so I'm going to give you a question today about one of the scenes earlier in the video. The one with Hiroshi. He's the old guy with the grey hair, yeah? So the question is this: where is Hiroshi's newspaper? So do you remember? Maybe you have to go back and watch that scene again to get the answer. But where is Hiroshi's newspaper is the question, okay? So put your answer down in the comments below and I'll check them as soon as I can, okay? Good luck! とにかく right の便利さを皆さん。とにかく right の皆さん。とにかく皆さん right